Hey you guys, it's Naturally Ann here. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Today's video is going to be how I achieved this nice little wash and go that you can see here. This wash and go was achieved by using ElleJaeEssentials Curl Pop along with her hair growth oil. These products are amazing and they are Detroit based. Well, technically Flint, she's from Flint, but you know, I'm in Detroit. She sells her products at Great Lakes Crossing, District I believe 9. So make sure you hit her up on Instagram at ElleJaeEssentials. I also have her hair butter, and this whole hair bundle is on her website for I believe like $40, but don't quote me on those words. I will put the link in the description below, so you know, shop with my girl, get these curls. Okay, so I also, this is the leave-in conditioner that I use from Pattern Beauty. I will be doing a full review on Pattern Beauty products from the wash day kit to the styling kit, because my best friend got the styling kit and it's fire, okay? Straight fire. And is that all I gotta say? Yeah, so if you're interested in this look, please stay tuned, watch the video until the end, and don't forget to enter into my giveaway. We got 5 for 1K, and ElleJaeEssentials is featured in the giveaway along with Layla lashes, as you can see on my face. Link will be in the description below as well. Shop with her. Lashes are only $8. Can't beat that for these voluptuous, beautiful lashes. And yeah. thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. And stay tuned for more videos. I'm about to be back popping on the weekly videos. Hopefully, maybe bi-weekly. It'd be a lot going on. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.